wrong.
S-T-I-N-K, stink.
No, nothing correct.
O-I-L-S, toil.
That's a green O.
Oh.
Nothing, and then nothing.
S-O-C-K.
Okay, green space. These aren't correct.
S-O-N-G. Always a never have.
S-O-U-P, soup.
S-H-A-R-T short.
What is you?
Does your character...
What is you doing, man? Let me just make her a shawarma. You're done. Thank you for your money. Oh my gosh.
Does your character have eyeballs?
Yes, my character has eyeballs. Is your YouTuber wearing clothes?
He is not wearing clothes.
So no Kribas, no Timmy Mac dude, no Purpled, no Dr. Donut, no Carl, and no Hannah.
Is your YouTuber Estabrock?
No, he's not. It's not Estabrock.
Dude,
Is your YouTuber known to be good at Minecraft?
he is known to be good at Minecraft.
There goes Allie, Estabrock, and Cheap Pickle.
Does your YouTuber have any blue on them?
My YouTuber does have blue on him.
Hannah gone. I'm pretty close now, actually.
Does your YouTuber have any green?
He does not have any green on him. How close are you?
I'm pretty close, man.
Is your YouTuber Wally Bear?
Nope. Is your YouTuber Wally Bear?
No! Does your character have eyeballs?
Oh my, threw me!
What is you? Fortnite just dropped the LEGO Fortnite Odyssey Ninjago update, and it adds a full Ninjago experience. You start at the Monastery of Spinjitzu with Master Lloyd, then explore Ninjago Island.
Stick this together.
Horror. Kasama nga mga friends ko. Ito sila.
Ay, anak ko na yan. Nalaro ko na pala. Ilawan nila yung ilaw dyan. Lahat ilawan. Ingay no lang pang.
Ako.
Ano yun?
No.
Apat pa. Malapit pa natin yung ibang bag.
Hanapin mo yung bulb. Tapos, nakahanap ako ng board. Pero namatay ako. Kaya ko yan, speedrun. Go. Wait lang.
Titito, diba?
Sabi mo, wait lang.
Ate ko maglalaro. Alam niya.
The Curse to?
The Curse. Chapter 1. Gego. Uy, paano to? Naka-crouch ka.
Hindi ako naka-crouch, oy.
Ano ba?
Nakahanap ko ng yan yung bulb. Nahanap ko yan. Naka-like na nga. Yung isang friend ko nag-leave kasi tinatawag. Kasi yung friend ko kasi tinatawag siya ng mama niya. Gusto ko makita yung chat nila.
Huwag mong titignan. Ano to, ang pangit. Bigla-biglaan.
Wag kasi. Sino? Wag mong i-open. I-joke ang pangit. Ano yan?
Wait lang.
Grabe. Ano daw sabi? Takbo. Parang ano lang yan. Uy. Takbo.
Hindi yan papasok dito.
Ay. Paano?
Bigla-bigla kasi.
Tapos bigla siya nag-jump scared. Yes, ako
Oh, di ba ang pangit ng settings niya? Kasi bigla-biglaan siya eh.
Ano daw sabi nila?
Nakakuha na sila ng 1 bullet.
Di nila alam. Isha-shock nila yung ano. Sabi daw kailangan daw patayin. Ate,
May bulb na dito.
meron.
Ah, puta, bakit ka umanda dyan?
Oh my God.
Wait nga.
Sabi daw ano, ipupul daw yung lever para maano daw yung ano.
Wait lang. Lelever ko na, lever. Ano ba yan?
Dapat kung ki.
Dito pala.
Ano yan? Ate,
Pull lever.
para saan?
Para papunta dito, mapapatay ko yun. Tagal naman.
Napul niya. Ate, ilan subscriber mo? 20? Ate? 20 subscriber mo? Takbo. Wala pa. American lady.
Ayan na. Lol.
Nice one ka dyan. Ilan kailangan dapat maano siya ng electricity?
Isa lang.
Ba't siya buhay pa rin?
Ewan ko nga eh.
Sira ata yung game.
Kaya nga.
This game,
Visit! Di ko na pull.
this game is rigged. Second.
Uy, okay na yun.
So, patay na siya.
Parang.
Uy,
Ano?
tingnan.
Ano?
Bunutin na.
Unbin, takot ako sa'yo.
Punta ka muna sa safety.
Hindi yan.
Tayo mo yung ilaw.
Alright, guys, make your animal noises in 3.
Bleh. Patay tayo. At hindi tayo patay.
Alright, guys, make your animal noises in 3, 2, 1, go. You get to go again! No, I will never place 3 in a row, Kate. Correct, Wally. Keep it flat. No, Wally, this is colors. Not netherite. Bam, gold. Oh my god, Wally, not correct. That was a good idea, gold. Correct! Oh, incorrect. Red! Wally, it's not red. Alright, Kate, you can literally win the game right now. Oh my gosh, you got 4 correct! Now keep going. I can't move. They get it. It's a block of stuff. It is? Oh my god. Correct! No, incorrect. Okay, you got it. Correct. Begin again.
Kurt, gigil ah.
Not 3 in a row, Wally. I already told you that. No, not redstone. Sorry. Redstone. Yeah, that's exactly what I said. Not redstone, Wally. You didn't get it right either. Greenstone. Correct on the greenstone, Kate. Not gold. Greenstone. Oh my. You're not the goat, Wally. You're not the goat, Kate. Redstone. You literally did redstone, not redstone. No, I meant greenstone. You got it right. Keep going. You got it right. You got it right, Wally. One more. It's not bluestone. It's not bluestone, Kate. Stretch. You just did. I got a stretch in. Redstone. Ooh, correct. Oh, you got it correct again. No, not redstone. Wally Bear. Not the goat, Wally. You never been. Damn it. Correct. You go again. Damn it. Correct. You get to go again. No, I will never place 3 in a row, Kate.
Tapos na.
Hindi pa eh.
Patay mo yung ilaw dito. Ate. Iingay mo. Patay mo yung ilaw, ate. Dali.
Uy, lumabas na siya.
Ate.
Mali.
Okay, Chief, tell me when you're ready to be found.
Ate, patay mo yung ilaw dito.
O, ikaw na. Kiss na.
Tapos
Kiss na,
mamaya,
kiss na.
tapos mamaya ikaw na.